Okay, welcome back to the channel. So where I left off last time, I was just finished up the inner arches and had painted them, primed them. In this video I'm going to be tackling the chassis piece. This here is where the trailing arm connects to. There's a point here and then it's a point here, so what I'm gonna have to do is cut out this piece first and then weld the piece onto that. Probably do like an L shape here, weld it on because that side's nice and strong still. Then after that, seal it all, and then I have this piece of metal here, square, which I'm going to put in here, in between this. I'm going to cut it down to size, weld it to it, and then I can put a welded nut on there, so then whenever I get the bolt for the trailing arm, I can just, it will screw on then. And then after that, once that's in, I can then put another plate over it, just to match the side over there. So I'm just going to get started doing that now. I've got it all cut out now. You can see what I was saying before. I'm just going to do a plate here and then have it bend so it's like an L shape. And then that will be that piece closed off. But I'm probably going to prep the inside here so it protects it from rusting. And get all the pieces out of there. So I got the bracket piece made up. Fits nicely. So the hole for the trailing arm is like in line with this piece here. So it's just gonna sit there. So what I'm gonna do is paint the inside, start from rusting, and then weld it in, and then I can start drill a hole out for the nut and bolt to fit in. this all welded up and finished. I've got the trailing arm on now, and it fits nicely, so I'll put it on just to see if it would fit and everything. Take that off. So that's pretty much all the welding done. I've also fixed this side as well, so it's all, we've got no random holes or whatever. I'm gonna start undersealing it all, and then, so first what I'm gonna do, where's the thing? Get the grinder. Okay, so we're gonna use a grinder with this here wire wheel on it. That should take off all the flaky rust bits. Then once I finish that, I'm going to be using this like so, any rust that's like just laying on the surface, I'll convert it into a paint, like a primer kind of thing, so then I can paint over it and then it won't rust anymore. And then once I've finished all that, I use this Tractile chassis paint and then paint a hole underneath. But I've also got some actual underseal with wax seal, which I'm then going to put on after to the, so under the under arch and a few other places, just to help it that one extra. Finished using the rust converter, put it all on the rusty bits, and you can see if it focuses, it's kind of changed to a bluey colour, so that means it's reacting with the rust. So I'm just going to let it sit for a bit till it's finished. So now I'm going to be putting this everywhere. Underseal everywhere, all the way to the front, and it should keep it protected. you can see, I've got it all undersealed now. I'm just going to put on this rubberized stuff onto the arches and wherever that gets the most wear, so then it's protected just a little bit more, and then it should be good with finished up with the hole underneath at this area anyway. I've still got down there to do, but I didn't do that because I am going to be taking the front suspension pieces off anyway. So once I get this back part done, I can then put everything back together, and then I can start working on there. So yeah, okay, just gonna go back and put on the rubberized wax oil stuff onto the arches. There we go. It's all undersealed and got the rubberized wax oil on it. Just on the arches for now. I'm gonna finish up this video now. That's all I'm gonna be doing. So next video I'll probably be restoring these trailing arm pieces and some of the other suspension pieces, so then I can stick it on, and then I can start working on the front. So yeah, thanks for watching.